What? I can actually make money online testing buttons for people's software. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that and how you can earn a decent income worldwide every week by testing other people's software online. So stay with me throughout this video. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to earn money weekly worldwide testing buttons for other people's software online. Alright, I'm going to share with you this technique throughout this video, so stay with me through the whole video so we can get started. But before we do, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and drop me some comments down below to let me know what you want to see in the future. Guys, if you are looking for a more passive income, one that can make you a full-time income online all day, every day, 365 days a year, then click the link down below. My #1 recommendation to make a full-time online income, and I'll send you over some information. All right, guys, let's get started with today's video. And what we're going to be talking about today is a site called Bug Finders. All right, so what is Bug Finders? Bug Finders is a crowdsourced software testing, and the way they work is genius. All right, it's very easy to get started with this, and they work for big companies. All right, some of the companies that they work for are Reds, Health Wallace, Nectan, Longest Stay, Liverpool Victoria, many more of the big companies. Okay, they do have a Facebook channel. It's got like 4.9 likes. They have reviews on Glassdoor. I checked it out, 4.8. So as you can see, people are giving this a great review. Great place to go. I've read that you can make up to $40 by finding one bug, guys. $40 by finding one bug in a person's software. So how do you get started with this? You create your Bug Finders Testers account. You add your hardware and software. You receive your test project alerts via email. You use your skills to find the bugs and defects. So basically you just go through the software until you find a bug, then you report it. Bugs are reviewed for accuracy, and then you get paid weekly via PayPal. All right, so that's awesome by itself, is you get PayPal money for doing this. All right, so guys, it's very easy to get started, and you can get started by using this link here. I'll drop this link down in the description. I have no affiliation with this company at all. I just found it, and I think it's pretty damn cool. What are other testers saying? Bug Finders is the most planned, organized, reliable crowdsourcing testing company I have came across. All right, so people are saying very good things about this company. Bug Finders is a good place when you can earn quick money for brief projects. Bug Finders is the most tester-friendly testing platform, especially for newcomers. The intuitive Bug Finders platform provides a great skill place to gain amazing chances to hone your skills. All right, so become a part of Bug Finders community. You will be able to earn money, improve your testing experience working with some fantastic clients and brands. You can see the brands shooting across the bottom of the screen here. These are some of the ones I talked about earlier, but you can see here the brands are pretty big companies. Look, I mean, Epson Printers, that's big. WorldPay, that's pretty big companies, okay? So just guys, to get started with this, you can do this by two ways. You can go to this company here, Digivante, digivante.com. Go here, click on Become a Tester, and what this is going to do is going to take you over to join Bug Finders, okay? So again, that was Digivante, maximizing digital performance. Just come over here, click on Become a Tester, and guys, I'll drop these two links down in the description so you don't have to remember them, but go over there, check these things out, because it would be a good place to get started so you can make some money online from home and make a decent income. I was reading some people make up to $1,000 a week doing this. So guys, if you get the right gig and you are very serious and hungry about doing this, This isn't going to make you rich, but it will give you some money in the bank. All right. So, guys, I just wanted to go back through here. Bug finders on Glassdoor, 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is very, very good for a company. They've been around for a while. Go check out their Facebook page. They are legit. Guys, my wish to you is you go click this link, get started today so you can start earning some income. All right. Again, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and guys, give me a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future so I can give you something what you want to see. All right. And guys, again, if you are looking for a passive income, one that can make you a full-time online income, this is what I use. Click the link down below, my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income, and I will send you some information. All right, guys, peace out. I hope you have a great day.